In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean branded email in Constant Contact. First, sign into your Constant Contact account so you're working in a secure, familiar space. From your dashboard, either start fresh with a new email or open an existing campaign you'd like to refine. Reusing a past campaign can save time if you already have a structure you like. Starting new is helpful when you want a different layout or message. Next, pick your foundation. Choose a template that fits your goal, like announcements, newsletters, or promotions, or begin with a blank design if you prefer full control. Templates are built to be responsive, so they'll adapt to different screen sizes, which takes a lot of technical guesswork off your plate. Now, make it yours. Add your logo at the top so your audience recognizes you right away. Apply your brand colors and choose fonts that match your style for consistency. Drop in high-quality images that support your message, and keep file sizes reasonable so the email loads quickly. For images, include brief, descriptive alt text to improve accessibility. Then craft clear, concise copy. Use a strong headline, short paragraphs, and scannable subheadings so readers can grasp your key points quickly. Add buttons for your main call to action. Think shop now, register, or learn more, and place them where they're easy to find. Link your text and buttons to the correct destination and double check that the links are complete and current. After that, refine the layout. Drag, drop, move, or edit blocks until the design feels clean and balanced. Maintain a clear visual hierarchy. Headline first, supporting text next, and the call to action button, where it naturally draws the eye. Use consistent spacing and margins so each section has room to breathe. If you're using columns, make sure they're easy to read and that content will stack well on smaller screens. Keep colors and background areas consistent to avoid visual clutter, and ensure there's enough contrast between text and background for readability. Before you send anything, preview your design. Use the preview tool to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Scroll from top to bottom and verify that images appear sharp, text is legible, spacing looks even, and buttons are prominent. Click through your links in the preview to confirm they go to the right place and that everything behaves as expected. When the preview looks polished and on brand, you're ready to move forward with confidence.